What's up, guys? Bearded Buckeye back with another review today, and we are looking at Blackbeards Woodworks. Now we're looking at the Calypso Balm and Oil and the Queen Anne's Revenge Balm and Oil. And if you remember, I did an unboxing that he had sent me of his premium beard care kit. It comes with the box, the stand, balm and oil, and that's where I got the Queen Anne's Revenge Balm and Oil, and I just got the Calypso Balm and Oil. Now I'm really excited to go over these because they're some of the best scents I've ever got to smell in a balm and an oil, and they smell so good I use them very sparingly because I don't want to run out. The stuff is amazing. Now first, I'll give you a look at the Queen Anne's Revenge. Now if you see that this one's a little roughed up a little bit, that's because this was in the kit he sent me, and I'm not going to tell you why it's roughed up. It's something you have to head over and watch my unboxing video or buy the kit yourself to understand why it looks like this, because the presentation of all of his products is amazing. So it's definitely something you got to check out for yourself. Now, one of the unique things about his balm that I really like, besides the scents obviously and the texture and all that, is the colors. They're all different colors. This is the Queen Anne's Revenge, it's the green color. The Calypso is more of an orange. Now, I don't know what the scent profiles are, and that's because he doesn't describe them. They're just from Davy Jones's Secret Potions. So again, which is another great thing about this product and this company, is they're really dedicated to the presentation of the product, and you don't see that a whole lot to the extremes of this, and it's not a bad thing. I think it's really cool because you don't see it very often. It's unique. Down to talking to Tyler or Blackbeard, he takes on that persona very well, and it kind of goes with the whole product line. And it's, like I said, it's not a bad thing. It's actually really cool because you don't see it very often. So yeah, there's the Queen Anne's Revenge Balm, and just to kind of read you what it says: join Captain Blackbeard aboard his flagship, the Queen Anne's Revenge, and enjoy the iconic aroma of the Caribbean Sea. So it kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of what you're in for when you smell it. But this balm goes in real smooth in your hands when you emulsify it. The smell is out of this world. The smell lasts all day. It gives you a medium to light hold when you put it in your beard, about right in the middle. It's not light enough to be a butter, and it's not heavy enough to be, you know, a real thick balm. It's easy to get out with your fingernail. You don't have to use a pick. I used a pick the first time. I usually do that just so I can gauge what, like, thickness or how easy it is to get out of there. But it's a really good balm, and again, the green will throw you off, and it threw me off the first time I opened it up because you really don't see things like this. So it was different. But again, it goes with the whole mystique of the product line of this rare kind of balm or oil, and to go with the scents it's very well done. Tyler does a very good job. Everything, the woodwork side of it is handmade, and for the presentation, it's awesome. It works, and it's really cool because it's unique in its own way. So this is the 2-ounce tin of the Queen Anne's Revenge Balm. We have the oil, and again, this is the 1 fluid ounce. It smells just as good as the balm. Has a really good smell. Using them together, I really suggest, which is why I got 2 of each for the Calypso and the Queen Anne's Revenge, because using them together really amplifies that scent profile and makes it smell that much better, makes the smell last that much longer throughout the day. Really suggest it. And I've only tried 2 of the scents, the Calypso and the Queen Anne's Revenge, but if the other 2 he has smell anything like these, then he's got one of the best product lines I've ever seen when it comes to uniqueness and the scent. And I would rank him right up there with the Luxurious Bastard, because the Luxurious Bastard is my all-time favorite when it comes to beard oil and beard balm. He makes a fantastic product, and this is up there with it. This is literally right there. It's in my top 3 of beard balms. I know I said it the other night. when it came to my top three, it was, Luxurious Bastard, Whiskey Ink and Lace, and Blackbeards Woodworks. I can't stress to you enough how much you guys need to check him out. And the other good thing is he's got great prices. The Beard Balm for 2 ounce tin, $12.99. The Beard Oil, $9.99. You can't go wrong with those prices. I mean, that's on the low end. The beard care kit that I did an unboxing on, I will put a link to that video below. It also should pop up at the end of the video here. And it's $50. And that's mind-blowing, because in that $50 you get so much stuff, and I'm not going to give it away, because opening that box is something special. It's really cool to see and to experience yourself. And for $50 and all the stuff you get in it is hands down, it's a no-brainer. You got to try it. This product is worth trying out. Tyler makes a great product, and he puts a lot of care into his work, and he's a family guy, and the family gets involved, and it's just really cool to see. I will put links to his website and his Instagram below. If you have any questions, send him a message on Instagram, because he's very responsive. You may have to decipher a little bit with the pirate talk, but it's really, really cool. And it goes well with the product line, all the way to the emails you get when he ships you stuff. It's 100% all the time, and the dedication is awesome. So, now the Calypso scent. I'll read to you what it says on the back of the balm. Shiver me timbers, it's Calypso. This balm is made using Davy Jones's secret potions. We hope you enjoy. That's it. And again, the Calypso scent is my favorite on this line, because of how good it smells, throughout the day. It's something to be experienced, guys, and for the price point that he sells this product at, it's a no-brainer to try, and it really is. The same thing with the oil. The oil smells just as good as the balm. Using them together, it amplifies that scent, and it's a very good oil. It's a little bit right in between the thick and light side, or thin side, sorry. Stays really well in the beard, lasts a while. The scent lasts even longer. Couple that with the balm, and you got an all-day scent. And guys, this product is awesome, and I will push this as much as I possibly can, because the price point alone is enough reason to try this. And when you check out his website and check out the product descriptions and the different scents he sells, and you talk to Tyler yourself, it's enough to make you want to try it. And if you haven't, please do. I will put links to everything below. I think I even have a discount code. If I do, I'll check back through my emails and messages. If I do, I will link that below also. And I believe, actually, for first-time buyers on his website, if you use promo code Queen Anne's Revenge, again, I'll put that below. I believe it's either 15% off or 25% off. I'm not 100% sure. I think it might be 25% off. But again, that alone is enough to try this out. He's a small business. Help support a small business by checking out these products, because this business deserves to blow up for the product he makes. It's like a diamond in the rough. It really is. The stuff is fantastic. The product is great. All natural carrier oils. The fragrances are out of this world. And again, if the other two scents he has smell as good as these two, then he has a knockout punch for a product line. And definitely check out the Woodworks part of it too. He makes a lot of cool stands and stuff to display your beard products, and I like to use them because the pictures and stuff I take to show all you guys everything I get, it's cool, and he gets some more advertisement there too. So again, blackbeardswoodworks.com to check these out. I will link everything below. We are looking at the Calypso and the Queen Anne's Revenge balm and oils. $12.99 for the balm, $9.99 for the oil on the website. Can't go wrong with that. Use promo code Queen Anne's Revenge for first time discount when you purchase from the store. I'm Bearded Buckeye. This was Blackbeards Woodworks. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe and like here on the channel. See y'all next time.